As a project management expert, I often see parallels between navigating complex projects and understanding the intricacies of the financial markets. Both require a clear understanding of the landscape, the tools available, and the qualifications needed to operate effectively. Today, we're going to delve into a common question for those venturing into the Indian stock market. Is there a specific certification for trading or analyzing the Nifty 50 index? Let's break this down in a way that's easy for anyone to grasp, whether you're a seasoned investor, a student of finance, or simply curious about the Indian equity market. Understanding the Nifty 50, the barometer of Indian equities. Before we tackle the certification question, it's crucial to understand what the Nifty 50 actually is. Think of it as the captain of the Indian stock market team. It's a benchmark index representing the weighted average of the top 50 largest and most actively traded companies listed on the National Stock Exchange of India, NSE. These 50 companies span across various sectors of the Indian economy, making the Nifty 50 a vital indicator of the overall market sentiment and economic health. Just like a project manager relies on key performance indicators, KPIs, to gauge project progress, investors and analysts use the Nifty 50 to understand the pulse of the Indian equity market. Its movements reflect the collective performance of these major players and often influence investment decisions across the board. The core question: is there a direct Nifty certification? Now, let's address the central question directly. No, there is no specific standalone certification solely focused on the Nifty 50 index itself. You won't find a course or examination that grants you a Nifty Trader certificate or a Nifty Analyst credential. This might seem surprising at first, but when you consider the nature of the Nifty 50, it makes perfect sense. The Nifty 50 is an index, a statistical measure, not a financial instrument like a stock or a bond. It's a tool used for benchmarking, trading derivatives like futures and options, and creating investment products like index funds and exchange-traded funds, ETFs. Think of it like a project management software. While there are certifications for mastering specific project management software, there isn't a certification for understanding the concept of project scheduling itself. The Nifty 50 is a concept, a representation, and understanding it is a foundational part of broader financial market knowledge. So, what kind of certifications are relevant to trading and analyzing the Nifty? While there isn't a direct Nifty certification, there are numerous certifications and qualifications that are highly relevant and valuable for anyone involved in trading or analyzing the Indian stock market, including the Nifty 50 and its derivative products. These certifications focus on the underlying principles of financial markets, trading strategies, investment analysis, and regulatory frameworks. Here are some key areas and the associated certifications you should be aware of. 1. Regulatory certifications by NISM, National Institute of Securities Markets. NISM, an educational initiative of the Securities and Exchange Board of India, SEBI. One offers a range of certifications designed to enhance the knowledge and skills of individuals operating in the Indian securities market. These certifications are often mandatory for professionals working in specific roles within the industry. Several NISM certifications are directly relevant to understanding and trading the Nifty and its derivatives. 1. www.nism.ac.in www.nism.ac.in NISM Series I Equity Derivatives. This certification equips individuals with a fundamental understanding of equity derivatives products, including futures and options on the Nifty 50. It covers topics like derivative pricing, trading strategies, clearing and settlement mechanisms, and the regulatory environment. For anyone looking to trade Nifty futures and options, this certification is highly recommended and often a prerequisite for working in brokerage firms. NISM Series 8 Equity Cash Market. While focused on the cash market, buying and selling of shares directly, this certification provides a strong foundation in the Indian securities market, trading mechanisms, and regulatory aspects that are essential for understanding the broader context in which the Nifty operates. NISM Series 16 Commodities Derivatives. Although focused on commodities, the underlying principles of derivatives trading covered in this certification can be beneficial for understanding the mechanics of Nifty derivatives as well. NISM Series XX Mutual Funds. For those interested in investing in Nifty-based index funds and ETFs, understanding mutual fund operations and regulations, as covered in this certification, is crucial. These NISM certifications are like professional development courses for project managers, providing specialized knowledge and validation of expertise in specific areas of the securities market. 2. Professional certifications in finance and investment. Beyond the regulatory requirements, several globally recognized professional certifications can significantly enhance your understanding and credibility in analyzing and trading the Nifty and other financial instruments. Chartered Financial Analyst, CFA. This globally recognized and highly respected designation is for investment professionals. The CFA curriculum covers a broad range of topics, including investment analysis, portfolio management, and ethical standards. A CFA charter holder possesses a deep understanding of financial markets and investment principles, making them well-equipped to analyze the Nifty and make informed investment decisions. Think of it as the PMP, Project Management Professional Certification for the finance world, a rigorous and comprehensive validation of expertise. Financial Risk Manager, FRM, offered by the Global Association of Risk Professionals, GARP. The FRM designation focuses on risk management techniques. Understanding and managing risk is crucial in trading and investing, especially in volatile markets like equities and derivatives. An FRM charter holder would have a strong grasp of the risks associated with Nifty trading and investment strategies. Certified Investment Management Analyst, SHIMA. This certification focuses on advanced investment management consulting. While not directly focused on trading, it provides a strong foundation in investment strategy, asset allocation, and performance measurement, all of which are relevant to understanding how the Nifty fits into a broader investment portfolio. These professional certifications demonstrate a commitment to excellence and a deep understanding of financial principles, making individuals more competent in analyzing and navigating the complexities of the Nifty and the broader market.